Welcome to Bitcoin Perspective. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular questions out there. How can you make money with Bitcoin? Let's start with one of the oldest methods, buying and holding, also known as HODLing. This strategy means buying Bitcoin when the price is low and holding onto it, hoping the price will rise. Many people who got into Bitcoin early and held on saw their investments grow exponentially. The idea here is simple. Hold on during the highs and lows, and watch as your Bitcoin potentially appreciates over time. But it's important to keep in mind that this is a long-term strategy, and there are risks. Bitcoin can be volatile, so only invest what you're willing to lose. Next up, there's Bitcoin trading. Unlike HODLing, trading Bitcoin is a short-term strategy, where you buy low and sell high, sometimes even within minutes or hours. Traders rely on technical analysis, market trends, and timing. This approach can be highly profitable, but it's also riskier and requires knowledge and experience. Day trading isn't for everyone, but if you love studying charts and market movements, it could be a good fit. Another way people make money with Bitcoin is through earning interest. Some platforms now let you deposit Bitcoin and earn interest on it, almost like a savings account, but for crypto. This is ideal for those who want to make passive income without actively trading. Interest rates vary, but it can be a safe and steady way to earn more Bitcoin over time. However, remember to research platforms carefully, as the safety of your Bitcoin depends on their security. Then, we have Bitcoin mining. Mining was once a popular way to earn Bitcoin, and it's how Bitcoin transactions are verified on the network. While it used to be something individuals could do with their home computers, mining has now become quite competitive and requires specialized, expensive equipment and lots of electricity. But if you're ready to invest in high-powered hardware and have access to affordable electricity, mining can still be profitable, especially if the price of Bitcoin rises. Now, here's an approach some people overlook: getting paid in Bitcoin. Imagine if, instead of receiving your salary or freelance payment in dollars or euros, you were paid in Bitcoin. Many companies and platforms now offer the option to pay in Bitcoin. This can be a great way to accumulate Bitcoin over time, without having to buy it directly. Plus, if Bitcoin's value goes up, so does the value of your earnings. For those who enjoy exploring new platforms, there are also ways to earn Bitcoin through rewards programs. Some credit cards offer cashback in Bitcoin instead of traditional rewards, and certain websites and apps offer small amounts of Bitcoin for completing tasks or answering surveys. While these rewards won't make you rich overnight, they're a fun and low-risk way to start accumulating Bitcoin. Lastly, a unique way to make money with Bitcoin is by participating in DeFi and staking. Some decentralized finance, or DeFi, platforms allow you to lend your Bitcoin to others, earning interest or rewards. Staking, which involves locking up your Bitcoin in a wallet for a set period, can also generate returns on certain DeFi networks. Be cautious with DeFi, as it can be riskier and more complex than traditional methods, but it's an exciting area for those who are more advanced in the crypto space. So there you have it, a breakdown of some of the most popular ways people are making money with Bitcoin. Whether you choose to HODL, trade, mine, or explore DeFi, it's crucial to remember that while there's potential for high returns, there are also significant risks involved. Always do thorough research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share it with someone curious about Bitcoin. Until next time, keep exploring the possibilities of crypto.